Hello people, your boy is coming home. Bwoi is coming to Ethiopia this month. Is coming to Ethiopia on 19th November 2022. And again, it will be in Gambela on 22nd November 2022 as well. So you guys should be ready. Those people who are living in Gambela, Ethiopia, you guys have to receive your boys right here. Bwoi is coming home, is coming home, is coming home. And you guys have seen the entry fees. You can see that early bird paid 300 Ethiopian birr, on the gate is 500 Ethiopia birr, and also VIP is paying around 700 ETB or Ethiopia birr. You guys better check him out. The dude is coming home. The legend is coming home. So check him out. Check all his latest message. So you guys can see that his page is right here. Bwoi, the legend, is coming home here. And again, you guys can also check his YouTube channel out by simply checking the link down in the description of my video right now, so that you can be able to watch all his music. So please grab his YouTube channel and try to watch and know the boy better. The boy is a big boy, and you guys already know that. I don't want to talk about him because he's already a legend and is coming home in Ethiopia, Gambela, Addis Ababa. He will be performing in Addis Ababa and also in Gambela. You better get ready. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. And again, also check Bwoi YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, guys. And again, if you are somebody who would like to contact the people who are managing his show, there are some message right here, and let me share with you. You can see that there's a contact down here, down below here. You can contact that, and these are the contact in Ethiopia, not in East Africa. All you gotta do is that contact this number, +251 9911 8627, and again +251 988 27252. So all you gotta do is that just simply call. Okay, the boy is coming home. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.